Super excited for the 60 healthy whole foods recipe guide. One of the things ladies ask me for the most is healthy recipes. When they want to get creative with the meals, or they want to find meals that their families will actually eat, or they just need some new inspiration in eating healthier, then this is something that they absolutely love, is getting some ideas to get creative in the kitchen. So what you're looking at right now is actually inside the Nourish for Life members area. The members area itself has a number of things. It actually has a map that guides you through the entire process of the program itself. So there's actually a little success path map where it guides you through. It, of course, has all kinds of training modules. I bring in dozens of guest experts. We have tons and tons of recipes as it is, but I also have this super fun bonus, which is 60 healthy whole foods recipes. So I want to show you a quick peek inside. Basically, when you sign up for the membership, you get instant access to this bonus. And when it pops open, it looks like this. So there is so many recipes. You can actually see this is 75 pages of healthy recipes, and it guides you through, because there is a variety of gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, dairy-free. There is recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, dessert. There's really a little bit of everything in here, and you can have a quick peek at what's inside. So we have all kinds of fun things like breakfast omelets, egg muffins, banana crepes. There are Buddha bowl recipes, there's soup recipes, stew recipes, easy, simple, quick things too, like spaghetti squash and different ways to make that. We also have some really fun things like Thai shrimp curry and rice. There are literally a gazillion recipes in here. And as you go through them, it actually has a guide, whether it is vegan, vegetarian, if it's gluten-free or dairy-free. It gives you all of these options so that you can really pick out something that's going to fit for your family and your eating habits. So as you scroll down past this list, this is what the actual recipe guide looks like. It's going to go through all the breakfast recipes first. So a lot of my students actually print out the recipes I give them and make them into a nice binder so that you can keep track of things that'll work for your family. And the recipes are in a really simple, printable view that it's actually easy to print out. There's not a bunch of pictures or anything. It's actually super, super easy for you to print out. So this is a sneak peek inside this 60 whole foods, quick and easy recipes that you get as an instant gift when you join the Nourish for Life membership. Now keep in mind, this is not the main focus of the membership. This is just one of the simple add-ons that you're going to get in addition to the regular content. So there's also things like monthly members events where we have a challenge every month. We actually have group coaching calls. We have modules of all kinds of lessons as to go through. And the purpose of this membership itself is to really help guiding you through a step-by-step system to have more energy, to lose weight, to eat healthy, to create healthy habits, and to feel your best. And so to do that, what we do is called Follow This Success Path. And it's literally a roadmap walking you through the steps. This is a document that guides you through the entire membership to go through each and every step that you need to complete in the process. So today I just wanted to share one of those sneak peeks of what it looks like inside the recipe book, because there's so much healthy and yummy stuff in there and you have tons to work with. So I'm going to put the link here where you can join us inside the membership. I would love to have you inside. Everything that you just saw is available for you instantly upon sign up. And you can get started with us right now. I hope to see you inside.